Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hey friends, what's going on? Hope you are all doing well. Today I have an interesting topic to be explained you. So watch my video till end. No, don't miss it. If you like my video, then like and subscribe my channel. Also, it will be favor of you from me to me. Okay? Let's start. Today we will discuss about statement, mathematical statement and difference between them. But our main focus to difference between them. Okay? Let's start. What is a statement? It is defined as any information given to us. It may be true or false, tick or cross. Okay? It has both possibilities. It may be true, false, tick, cross. Okay? But mathematical statements on the other side is the information which has only one possibility. It is right only, it is wrong only. Okay? It has one possibility at the same time. Okay? Let us explain by different examples their main difference that you can easily understand. Okay? Let's start. Example number 1 gives us information that 1 plus 1 gives 2. This information may be statement, may be mathematical statement. Let's start. 1 plus 1 gives 2 is the information that may be right or wrong. Only one possibility it has. It is right information. Thus we can say it as mathematical statement. Okay? Because it gives us fact and right information and one possibility information. Okay? On the other hand, other example gives us what is the composition of hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is a molecule and oxygen molecule. Okay? It is a fact information, fact. Okay? That's why it has one possibility, right or wrong. We can say it mathematical statement. Statement. Okay? Example number 3 gives me information that I draw is a rose. It may be rose for me, in my opinion. It may be rose, not rose in other opinions because it is not as similar as rose. That's why it is information that can I say it mathematical not because it has both possibilities. It may or it may be. So it is a statement. This information is statement. Example number 5 gives me information that I draw a beautiful flower. The beautiful flower is in my opinion. And you know that the opinions are different for different minds. That's why it has both possibilities, right or wrong, and yes or no. So I can say statement. Tick the statement option. I denote statement for S and mathematical statement for MS or somewhere SN. Okay? Don't confuse it. The information tomorrow will be Sunday is maybe mathematical statement and the statement. This information is mathematical statement when there is Saturday today or present day is Saturday. And you know that there is not always a Saturday today. There are 7 different days in a week. So when there is a Saturday in a present day, we can say this statement is mathematical statement. But on the other 6 days, we can say it only statement, only information, because it has both possibilities. It is, or it is not. The emoji drawn by me drawn by me contains 2 eyes. It is a fact because it contains or contain not. So I can say it mathematical statement. I already explained you that I somewhere denote a mathematical statement as MS or SM. Okay, don't confuse it. It is a beautiful emoji. It may be beautiful for some and beautiful for not beautiful for some. Okay, because opinions are different for different minds. So it is a statement. S denote it. ठीक है. The emoji is drawn by red marker. It is a not mathematical or not statement. What will be? It is either mathematical statement, either or statement. It is mathematical statement because it has one possibility that it is drawn by red or not. Okay. When I say you that light red marker or dark red marker, then it will be possibility that it is different for different times. Okay, that's why it is a only information. Then I can say you light or dark. Okay, because it may be dark or it may be light for different times. I paint the best. I paint the best is not a true for all. Okay, it has both possibilities. I paint the best true, I paint the best not true. Okay, because in my opinion I paint the best, not all opinions. So it is not a fact, it is a statement. The information is either true or false. As the sun rises from the east, it is a fact. That's why I say it's statement of mathematical science. ठीक है. The sun is shining most today. This statement is provided as information of only today, not all the time. That's why this information is a only statement. The mathematical statements are reliable for all time. Okay, the sun is source of energy. This is a fact, and this statement is said to be mathematical statement. The sun is the only source of energy. This statement is not true because we know that the state and the energy sources are heat, light, and many other things. Okay, that's why this statement is wrong. Information is wrong, and this is mathematical statement because it has one possibility. Okay, so hope you get the today's topic very deeply. If you like my video, then subscribe it. Thanks for watching.